Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. In the last class we have seen measurements. In that measurements, what and all we have studied? Yes, circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. Okay. Then pi is equal to, yes, circumference by diameter. How to measure the circumference? You measure the thread. Okay. Length of the thread. You measure the length of the thread with the scale. Okay. With the scale, you measure the length of the thread. See, it is 8 point from 0. Okay. The thread length of the thread is 8.5. You keep the thread around the circle. I have kept around the circle, isn't it? So, the length of the thread is equal to the circumference of the circle. Okay, circumference of the circle. What you have seen, the length of the thread is 8.5 centimeter. Now, the circumference of the circle is 8.5 centimeter. Have you understood? This is a circumference. Okay. What is the formula to find circumference of a circle? 2 pi r units. Okay. Then value of pi? Yes, 3.14. And in fraction? Yes, 22 by 7. Okay. Then another one, we have seen that area of the circle. Area of the circle. Okay. You take this black portion here, there is length of the rectangle. Okay. And this R as breadth one side. Then again you take this red color portion as length of the rectangle opposite side. Then this R as breadth, another breadth. Okay. Now see, we have the rectangle here. So area of rectangle is equal to area of a circle. Area of rectangle we know. What is the formula? L into B square units. Here L is pi r. Then R is R. Sorry, B is breadth is R. Okay. So pi r into R square units. That is equal to pi r square units. Okay. So area of a circle is equal to pi r square units. Then also we have studied the circular pathway. That is, this is small r and this is capital R. Okay. Here we have seen this W. Okay. Area of a circular pathway is equal to, we know. What is the area of a circular pathway? Yes, pi into r square minus r square units. Okay. Then area of the rectangular pathway. Here small l, small b. This is capital L and capital B. Yeah. What is the area of a rectangular pathway? Capital LB minus small lb square units. This is the area of a rectangular pathway. We shall see miscellaneous practice problems. In that fifth problem is they have drawn the rectangle. Inside that they have drawn 4 circles. Okay. If the radius of each of the circle is 3 centimeter, the radius of each circle is 3 centimeter. Okay. Then what is the diameter of each circle? Is 3 plus 3, 6 centimeter, isn't it? Okay. Then calculate first one, the area of the rectangle. First you have to calculate the length and breadth of the rectangle. How to calculate? First we know the radius. So see the diameter. This is 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. Then This is the length of the rectangle. Okay. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay. 4 sixes is the length of the rectangle. 4 6 4s are 24 centimeter. Okay. Then see, this is the diameter. Okay. What is the diameter? 6 centimeters. So here 6 centimeter. The breadth of the rectangle is 6 centimeter. So the radius of the circle is 3 centimeter. Diameter of one circle is 2 into r, that is 6 centimeter. So diameter of 4 circles is equal to 24 centimeter. That is the length of the rectangle. Then length of the rectangle is equal to 24 centimeter. Then breadth is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, area of the rectangle. You have to calculate the area of the rectangle. First question. L into B, that is 24 into 6. You multiply, that is 144 centimeter square. So area of the rectangle is equal to 144 centimeter square. Challenge problem. Challenge problem, 7th problem. A cow is tethered with a rope of length 35 meter at the center of the rectangular field. Length 76 meter and breadth 60 meter. Find the area of the land that the cow cannot graze. Okay, the cow is tethered in the center of the circle. The length of the rope is 35 meter. Okay, so the cow can graze this area, the circular area. It can graze, it can go in, this is one radius, this is one radius, this is one. So from the center, using this rope, the cow can graze this much area, isn't it? Okay. So we can find the area of the circle. That is the area the cow can graze. And find the area of the land that the cow cannot graze. Solution. You have to draw a rectangle, inside that one circle. So in the center, the cow has tethered. That is 35 centimeter. Here 76 meter. Here breadth is 60 meter. So length of the rectangular field is 76 meter. Breadth of the rectangular field is 60 meter. So radius of circular land that cow can graze, R is equal to 35 meter. Okay, now we have to find the cow that cannot graze. This is the area, the cow that cannot graze. Okay, this is the area the cow cannot graze. Okay, area of the land that cow cannot graze is equal to area of the rectangular field, full rectangle, minus area of the land that cow can graze. From the rectangle, you are subtracting the land, area of the land which the cow can graze. So L into B square units minus the area of the circle is pi r square units. So L into B is 76 into 60 meter. Okay, minus 22 by 7 into 35 meter into 35 meter. Because r square no. So you have to cancel 7 and 35 5 times. So 76 into 60. 6 6 are 36. 6 remainder 3. Then 6 7s are 42 plus 3 45. So 4560 minus 22 into 5 into 35 is 175. Okay. So 4560 minus, if you multiply these two, we will get 3850. That is 710 meter square. So answer, area of the land the cow cannot graze is equal to 710 meter square. 8th problem. A path 5 meter wide runs along the inside of the rectangular field. The length of the rectangular field is 3 times the breadth of the field. If the area of the path is 500 meter square, then find the length and breadth of the field. Solution. Then we have drawn the diagram. Okay. Full rectangular field. Inside that the path is 5 meter. Inside that is a path is 5 meter. Okay, all sides 5 meter. W is 5 meter. Okay, inside. So here we have to find the small l and small b. Okay, length of the rectangular field capital L is 3b. 3 times breadth is the length. Okay, then breadth of the rectangular field is b meter. Okay. Now we have to find the small l and small b. Width runs inside the field 5 meter. So, capital L minus 2W, isn't it? Inside L, small l is equal to capital L minus 2W. So, we know that capital L is 3B meter. Okay, so, 3B minus 2 into 5. That is 3B minus 10. That is the small l. Then small b. B minus 2W. B minus 2W. So, B minus 2 into 5. It is B minus 10 is the small b. Now, we have to find the area of the pathway. We have to find the length and breadth. They are given the area of the pathway. It is 500 meter square. So, how to find L and B? Area of the field minus area of the inner field. Area of the full field minus area of the inner field. Then we know the pathway 500 meter square. Area of the field is L into B minus small l b square units. So L, capital L is 3B. Capital B is B minus 3B minus 10 into B minus 10. 3B minus 10 into B minus 10. This is the small l and small b. So you keep this as 3B into B is 3B square. Minus, you have to multiply these two, no. First you multiply 3b with b minus 10. Minus, then 10 with minus 10 with b minus 10. Now you solve this. 3b into b is 3b square. Minus 3b into 10 is 30b. Minus 10 into b is minus 10b. Minus 10 into minus 10 is plus 100. Okay. So now 500 is equal to 3b square minus 3b square minus 40b, 30b minus 10b is equal to minus 40b plus 100. Okay. Now you remove the bracket and multiply with a minus with each term. Okay. You are multiplying minus into plus becomes minus, minus into minus becomes plus, minus into plus becomes minus. Now these two gets cancelled, minus and plus. Remaining is 40b minus 100. You bring this minus 100 this side means 500 plus 100 is equal to 40b. So 600 by 40. You bring this 40 down equal to b. Now cancel b. Then 4 1 times remaining 2. That is 20 is 5 times. So b is equal to 15 meter. So L is equal to 3 into B, isn't it? So 3 into 15 is equal to 45 meter. Now answer, length of the field is equal to 45 meter, breadth of the field is equal to 15 meter. Ninth problem, a circular path has to be constructed around a circular ground. If the area of the outer and inner circles are 1386 meter square and 616 meter square respectively. Find the width and area of the path. In solution, we have drawn the diagram. Okay, they are given the outer area of the outer circle and inner circle. Okay, then outer circle is pi capital R square units, that is 1386 meter square. Then area of inner circle is 616 meter square, that is pi small r square is equal to 616. Now we have to find the area of the path. So capital pi into capital R square minus pi into small r square. So 1386 minus 616. Now subtract these two. Okay, here 660, 8 minus 1, 7. Then here 13 minus 6 is 7. So area of the path is 770 meter square. First one we have found. Then second question. We have to find the width. So that we have to find capital R and small r. After that we have to subtract and say the width of the path. Okay. So first we will take the capital pi r square is equal to 1386. So you bring this 22 by 7 this side means 7 by 22. Now you cancel. Otherwise you divide like this. And it will come 63. 22 6 are 132. Then remaining 6 here also you bring down 6. So 3 22s are 66. Now 63 into 7. We can write this 63 as 9 into 7. So we have 2 7. So 7 square. Here also we can take the 9 as 3 square. Now 3 into 7 the whole square. So square and square gets cancelled. Now r is equal to 21 meter. Capital R is equal to 21 meter. Pi small r square is equal to 616 meter square. Is equal to 616 into bring this pi this side means 7 by 22. Now here also you can cancel 22 and 616. Otherwise you divide like this. 2 times 44. Then remainder 176. Bring down 6. Okay. 8 times 176. So 28 into 7. We can write 28 as 7 into 4. So we have 2 7s. You can take this as 7 square and this 4 as 2 square. So 2 into 7 the whole square. Okay, then square and square gets cancelled. R is equal to 14 meter. So the width is equal to R, capital R minus small r is equal to 21 minus 14 is equal to 7 meter. So answer, width is equal to 7 meter. Area of the path is equal to 770 meter square. 10th question. A goat is tethered with a rope of length 45 meter at the center of the circular grassland whose radius is 52 meter. Find the area of the grassland that the goat cannot graze. Here we have drawn a circle. Okay. Here 45 meter. This is the goat tethered. That is 45 meter. Here in the center the goat is tethered. Okay. Then the radius of the circular land. Full circular land is capital R. That is 52 meter. Here the goat can graze this area, isn't it? Okay. We have to find the goat that cannot graze the area. That is the pathway. This pathway the goat cannot graze. Okay. So length of the rope is inner radius. That is 45 meter. Then radius of the circular land, that is capital R, that 52 meter. Then we have to find area of the grassland that goat cannot graze. That is equal to area of the land minus area of the land that goat can graze. Okay. That is pi into capital R square minus small r square, square units. Now 22 by 7 into 52 square minus 45 square. 52 square we can multiply. 52, 52. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Then 5 2s are 10, 0. Remainder 1. 5 5s are 25. 1 plus 26. So 4, 0. Here 7, 2. So 2704. 45 square means it will become 2025. That is 2025. 2704 minus 2025 is equal to 679. So 22 by 7 into 679. You cancel 7 and this. 9 7s are 63. Remainder 4, 49. 7 7s are 49. So 22 into 97 is 7 2s are 14. Remainder 1. 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19. 194, 194. Then add 4. Then 13 3. Remainder 1. 11, remainder 2134. So the answer is area of the grassland that goat cannot graze is equal to 2134 meters square. Then 12th problem. A rectangular field of dimensions 20 meter into 15 meter, two paths run parallel to the sides of the rectangle through the center of the field. The width of the longer path is 2 meter and that of the shorter path is 1 meter. Find first one area of the paths and second one the area of the remaining portion of the field. Then third one is cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter. We shall draw the diagram for the 12th sum. Okay, that is the longer side is 2 meter. Then the shorter side is 1 meter. I have drawn the diagram. Then capital L is 20 meter and capital B is 15 meter. So now step 1. Length of the rectangular field L is equal to 20 meter. And then breadth of the rectangular field B is equal to 15 meter. We shall find the area of this full field. Okay, that is area of the field is equal to LB square units, that is equal to 20 into 15 is equal to 300 meter square. Okay. Now we shall see the area of this. Okay. And then area of this and this. Now width of the longer path is equal to 2 meter. So L1 is equal to 20 meter. The longer path L is 20 meter and breadth is 2 meter. Okay, width they are given now. So 2 meter. So area of the longer path is equal to L1 into B1 square units. That is 20 into 2 is equal to 40 meter square. So we have found the area of the longer path. It is 40 meter square. Then we shall see the first this one, this 2. Okay, this area we have found. So we have to find this area and this area. For that, step 2, width of the shorter path. That is L2 is equal to 13 by 2. How 13 by 2? Here 2 meter. You subtract from 15 as 2 meter. Yeah, that is 13. So the full length is 15. We have to subtract this 2 meter. So we have 13 meter. So 13 by 2 here, 13 by 2 here. We are dividing 13 by 2. Okay. Then L is equal to 13 by 2 meter, B is equal to 1 meter. B is equal to 1 meter, width of this rectangle. Okay. Then area of the two shorter path. Here one shorter path and here one shorter path. So it's equal to 2 into 13 by 2 into 1 meter square. That is 13 meter square. You cancel 2 and 2. So that is 13 meter square. Then area of two shorter path is equal to 13 meter square. Then we have found the two shorter path and also the longer path area and also the full area we have found. First one answer is area of the path, that is 40 meter plus 13 meter square is equal to 53 meter square. Then second one answer is area of the remaining portion. What is the remaining portion here? Without path, remaining portion is here. These are all remaining portion. Is full portion is 300 meter square minus 53 meter square equal to 247 meter square. So area of the remaining portion is 247 meter square. Step 3. Cost of constructing 1 meter square road is rupees 10. Then cost of constructing 53 meter square road is 53 into 10 is equal to rupees 530. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.